Hello, ninth grade. This video is to show two cars that are similar. Notice that they are both the same type of car. They're both Volkswagen Bugs. And one is blue, one is yellow. The yellow is larger and the blue is smaller. I'm going to use a ruler this time to compare the lengths. Notice that with the larger, the height is about 5 centimeters. And then notice with the blue car, the height from the base of the car to the top of the roof is about 2.5. That closer for you. So that means it's about half. Now let's also look and see if the length is half. So here we have a length of about 10 centimeters. If this was similar, this length should be about 20 centimeters, and you'll notice that it is not. So although these two cars look like they're similar, they're not, because not all the corresponding parts have the same ratio. The heights are about 1/2 of each other, and the lengths are a different ratio. These are not mathematically similar.